Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video and back with another product. So this right here is the Apple Watch SE 3, and so this is a watch for my wife that I got her. She's currently rocking my old Apple Watch 4. And so and what way to upgrade her to the latest Apple Watch? Um, this one in particular is Starlight, which is kind of like a goldish color. Let's go ahead and open this tab. Very simple. So you got the watch here and the band in this one. Let's take a look around here. And this is uh, the cellular model. So she's got a big upgrade. Oh, forgot to peel this off. Let's go and peel this off. The other side. I believe this is the 40 millimeter. Yep, this is the 40 millimeter. There we go. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. And there you have it. Very nice, very light in the hand. Let's put that off to the side. What else does it come with? We have the charging cable here. There we go. And in this one, we have the band. And the great thing about Apple is you get to use your previous band, so we have plenty of those. So she can go between this one and the other ones that she has. Hopefully they don't change it anytime soon. Here it is. Let's go. Sports band, of course. And so basically this one has all of the features that the Apple Watch 4 has and then some. It doesn't, I believe it doesn't have EKG, which is kind of strange, but it has everything else. Um, so yeah, it should be pretty familiar. Has everything else. It has all-day battery life, 18 hours of normal use. 32 hours on lower power mode, so basically a day and a half. Built-in rechargeable battery, everybody knows that. Up to 80% in 45 minutes, 15 minutes to 8 hours, and 8 minutes to 8 hours of sleep tracking. It comes with the latest watch OS, which is another thing. The Apple Watch 4 is not supported anymore, so this is a big plus for her. It has all the workout sessions on there. If she decides to run, walk, etc., swim, it has all of that. It also has the emergency SOS, fall detection, which is a plus, crash detection, noise monitoring, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course, the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in there. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the Apple Watch SE3. Let me go ahead and put this on for her so that, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put the band on for her and just set it up. And there we go, we have it on. So that's it for my quick unboxing of the Apple Watch SE3. Hopefully she likes this. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. More videos to come. Peace out.